Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing our Magnum baked chicken. So let's get right into the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. So here we have 2 pounds of chicken already washed with lemon and vinegar. So we're gonna go in with all of our spices. So we have Cajun, all-purpose, garlic, onion powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper, and we're gonna mix those together, and then we're gonna add them to our chicken. So guys, feel free to use whatever spices you have in your cabinet. So now that we add our powder seasoning, we're going to go ahead with some of Pal's Old Made season as well. And guys, we already have a video of how I made this, so you can go ahead and check it out as well. So I had about 2 tablespoons of that. So we're going to go right in now and we're going to rub with chicken. So we're going to season these chicken to the bone. Right there so. So now that we finish rubbing our season to our chicken, we're going to leave this to marinate for an hour. Or guys, you can do it overnight if you feel pleased to. Okay? Okay guys, so now that we're finished, 1 hour has passed. Our stove is already preheated at 350 degrees. So what we're gonna go ahead and do right now is add our chicken to our baking pan. So guys, I'm using this one. You can go ahead to the dollar store and pick it up as well. So now I'm adding some bell pepper. This is optional guys. You don't have to add it, but I like to use the bell pepper when I'm doing baked chicken. It adds a little flavor. So now I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken to our baking pan. So guys, now that we finished adding our chicken, we're going to go ahead and add the remaining of our bell pepper and onion on the top of our chicken. So now I also sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes on the top. This is optional guys, you don't have to add it if you don't want to. Now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like now, and then we're gonna head over to the oven. So guys, this is a sneak peek of what is going on inside of the oven. Chicken look good, ready for yam. So now here it go guys. So now I'm going to be adding my Magnum sauce. So this is it, and I also add the chili flakes to my sauce as well. So this is my Magnum barbecue sauce, and I will definitely make a video and show you guys how I made this sauce. And I love the richness and the flavor of this sauce. Finger licking good, yummy. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add this back to the oven guys for another 15 minutes, and voila, look at our chicken. It's ready. Me said chicken ready for yam. That's in Jamaican term. Chicken is ready to eat. So look at the steam coming out of that chicken guys. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. Wow, juicy and nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I did enjoy doing this video, and I will also show you guys how to make the barbecue sauce as I said before. Live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen.